We're talking about another bounce house mishap, this time in Colorado. 2 kids were hurt when a wind burst causes an inflatable slide to go airborne at a lacrosse tournament. And just last month in upstate New York, 2 other young kids were hurt when the bounce house they were playing in was swept at least 20 feet into the air. There have been 2 other accidents in the past couple of months, one on Long Island where 13 people were hurt when an inflatable slide was swept into a crowd of people at a soccer game. And in Arizona as well, a bounce house shot into the air while it was deflating. I want to bring in my dream team to talk about this, LaTonya Hines and, of course, Janet Johnson. Most of our viewers like RL, it's a liability issue, and they want to know what should be done. Stop buying or renting them? Who's responsible? Tell me.
Well, I mean, the liability is really important because someone should pay big bucks so this doesn't happen.
Exactly.
You know, we talk about tort reform, and as a trial lawyer, I have to say, unless companies know they're going to be on the hook for a lot of money, they're not going to be as careful as they should be.
And it's kind of like what happened with McDonald's and the hot coffee. I mean, we even see the documentary about that. When you have something like that happen and it becomes such a big case, then they're like, wait a minute, I don't want to pay out this much money. And you know what will happen? They'll have more warnings about these things.
It's a great point, LaTonya, because everyone says, oh, those lawyers, they're crazy for everyone. They're taking all the money.
Kill the lawyers.
But, exactly. But when it goes like this, right, Janet, to your point,
lawyers.
It's deterrence. It lets people know and it puts them on notice. Be careful.
Well, look at car manufacturers. You know, we see them doing a cost-benefit analysis where they say, well, let's not take it off because we're going to lose money. Here's the question. Is there deep pocket? Is there insurance? Can they pay? Because if they can't, it doesn't matter what the judgment is.
Right. And you know what, LaTonya? These are children we're talking about, right?
Exactly.
So kids are getting hurt. And then also what's happening is they're blowing into other areas where other children and adults are. So it's problematic.
Well,
what do we do?
Also, I would like to wonder, too, are the companies doing what they're supposed to be doing and making sure that these things are secure? That's going to be something that you're going to have in a lawsuit.
Are there laws that even require it? I mean, is it even required?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's what we have to look at. Do we not, Janet?
Well, yeah, and I think if you're deciding whether you want to rent one of these for a party, look at your state's laws, look at the regulations, and go online and check out this company and see what their safety track record is.
Absolutely.
Watch HLN. We show it here. We show it here.
I
mean, it's right here on TV. You see it all the time. You're seeing these
All right,
videos.
great dream team. We want to know, and we want you to join us about what you think and get into this conversation about all the problems that have been recently happening with these bounce houses. Who do you think is liable? Go to our Facebook page, please, like us, and sound off. Susan?
Joey, we're talking about the mom who cops say drove her minivan with her 3 kids inside into the ocean is out of jail now. Friday, a judge reduced